If you want to customize the email templates for delivering the customer's digital downloads, you can do this by going to the settings page, go down to edit email templates, and then here is where you'll edit and customize your emails. So you have the fulfillment template, which is the one that gets sent every time you get an order. Then you have the file replace template, which is when you replace a file and the customer will get informed that there's a new update for the file. So what you can do, you add your company name in here, the subject line, you can add your own logo, and you can customize the text all you want. You can even do it via HTML, which is this button here. And close that. So I'll show you how to do it from scratch. So let's say rub all this out. What we're going to do is go hi, insert customer name, comma, download your digital files here. And then you want to put insert links. These variables will automatically put the customer's name and the download links in there. What you want to do, let's go, thank you. And you can customize this any way you want. If you want to add a company logo, drop that a couple of lines and click this image button here. So what we need to do is go back to your Shopify dashboard, go down to settings, go to files. You want to upload your company logo here. I've already uploaded an example logo, so I want to copy that link. Go back to here, paste that link in the source, and you can just put logo for the alternative description, press save. Then you're just going to scroll to the side, click, and drag that smaller. And you can make it any size you want. And then if I want to put it in the center, I'll click this. You can even send a test email to yourself. And there you have it. That's all you need to do to customize your own email templates. And then you press save, and it's done.